What's up guys, Dylan here. Today we're replacing the washer pump on the truck. Killed itself today or a couple days ago. Hasn't been working, but we're gonna replace that. Let me go grab that replacement part for you guys. What I got here is a Trico spray. Picked it up at my local O'Reilly's, literally just a replacement part. So first we're gonna set this over here. First thing I did was I took all the 10mm bolts out. One went at the top here, one went down here, and another one down here in this corner, right there. If I move it, you can see where the hole was, but I've got these all taken off. Next step I did is take off the clips on them, and you can just see if I can do this with one hand while holding the camera. Yeah, just pick it up and put it on top of your air box. I just disconnected this so I can have more length. If you want to, it gives you a good reason to clean underneath here. I'm not worried about it. I'm probably gonna pull this thing back out probably in the future. So I'm gonna try and get this out. I don't know, I've got a pretty full tank on this, so I'm kind of upset. I'm gonna try and see if I can dump it in like a bucket or some kind of big cup to save me from dumping this whole thing out all over me. But when I figure that out, I'll catch up with y'all. So I took off the cap off the washer pump, and mine is corroded and also has liquid in it. So yours shouldn't do that, shouldn't look like that. I think I had a seal issue, but it is corroded, and that would explain why it's not working. Instructions say, sorry the camera's not focusing. Instructions say pry this up and slide out, and then to slide the new one in. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then if it changes, I'll explain how I did it without looking dumb on camera trying to pop this thing out. So once I get this thing out, I'll show you. I'm probably gonna clean this whole tank. It's nasty, so then I don't have another issue like that in the future. All right, so got the old washer pump out. Seal's still good. You will need to probably remove that seal, but it's easy as just wiggling it while you're pulling it, and it'll pull right on out. So I got the new one, Trico brand from O'Reilly's. Everything looks about the exact same. So they do recommend you clean out or flush and clean the reservoir, which I will do because it needs it. And then after that, you'll pop the new one in, slide your tube back on the bottom, slap it back in here, fill up the reservoir, and plug in the harness for the clips for this thing, where they plug into, and your guess is as good as mine. We'll see if she works, but that's definitely the reason why mine does not work. So once I got everything all cleaned out, put back together, I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you if it works. I'll show you it working. All right, so I got the tank back in. I got the new washer pump installed. Also, that seal does need to come off when you're replacing it. Comes with a new seal, and then you need to take that seal off of the pump, the new pump, slide that seal in, and then slide or push down with the bare of your hand on that pump and press it in until it's flush. That's what worked for me. It should work for you guys. I'm currently putting the last bolt in. I've already got both connectors in. I have no fluid in the tank at the moment. And I done goofed. I gotta take this all back off because I forgot to install this. Mess ups happen, but I'll catch you guys when I put this back on. All right, I have the tube all back up installed, and this is the last bolt. Really don't know how I plan on pouring this fluid back in, other than maybe a funnel and being very careful. So once I find a way, we'll try and hit the washers. All right, everything's back on. Hood is closed. Keys on. And they work again. It was just the pump. I'll do it one more time. I've got to figure out what's going on the driver's side because it's not spraying as great. It's not spraying up top too much. But it still works. Only reason my wipers are chattering are because my windshield is ceramic coated. And my windshield is obviously clean because I've just done this a few times before I brought the camera back out, but it works. Windshield is clean. I can finally see in the mornings when I'm going to work, but she's all bolted back up. Got a good amount. I did have an oopsies when I was pouring it in with the funnel. It kind of spilled all down here, but I got it cleaned up as much as I could. I don't think I have any open connectors. The only open connector I have is this one, which is for my level adjusters on my stock headlights, but these are my clears. I am going to do a video in the near future. I don't know when. It'll probably be sometime the first of the new year. I'm going to be taking these headlights off completely and heating these up and taking this lens off and taking the clears out of these, and then taking my stock headlights that have the level adjuster option, which plugs into the back of them, and do the exact same thing and put them together, reseal them. So then I have a level adjuster headlight. The bulbs won't have to be electrical taped on the back of the blinkers because they don't stick in correctly. And then my low beams and high beams will twist on super easy. In order to give me another excuse to make sure I replace these one more time before I do that, so I don't have to take them out again. They still work, but let's see. Everything's good. We've got the new grille in the truck too. But yeah, side markers still work. Headlights. I did the fog lights recently. Those turned out pretty good. Nice and glossy now. The camera picking up yellow, but right here they're white. They are also really dirty. I'm going to do this next because you see that? It's pretty nasty. And then that one's pretty good, and then the headlights are good. So front end's coming together slowly but surely. And I'm super stoked. Super glad I got that all fixed. So we'll do it one more time to show y'all they still work even after waiting. So pretty cool. But yeah, if this video helped y'all fix your washer pump in your truck, please be sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video and if it was helpful. Didn't really get into it because it's kind of hard to film while taking out stuff and bolting it up with this thing. This thing didn't stay up correctly. Well, I should not say thing, it's my tripod for my phone. But other than that, leave a comment for any suggestions that you guys may have on what you need to get or you're looking for to be fixed. DIYs like bumpers, fog lights, grille, headlights, mirrors. I mean, I got the mirror video that actually was taken off pretty good. The window trim video took off amazingly. Still doing really good. That's just wet from the overspray. You can tell that's from that. But soon I will be having to do the drivers front and the other side. I'm soon to debadge the truck. I think I'm just gonna debadge those and leave the Tundra. This is for my truck people, my friends that are probably watching this. Leave suggestions, yes or no. But for anyone that actually needed this video for help on your Tundra, be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIYs or to-dos on your Tundra, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.